Hello dear students, I Professor Basavaraj Kuluche welcome you all for today's lecture of Business Communication. In previous Zoom class, we had discussed the various claim letters and types of claim letters and other things. Along with that, we had also discussed the adjustment letter writing hints and refusal letter writing hints. Let us see now some of those adjustment accepting letters and refusal letters. The first letter is adjustment letter of accepting. Here, Omkar Distributors, Siddheshwar Road, Vijapur, they are writing on their letterhead on 8th November 2020. Reference number and other things are there. 2. Messrs. Suyog Stores, Keshavpura, 3rd Cross, Belgaum. Dear Sir, thank you for your letter of 6th November 2019. We feel sorry to note that a part of consignment is received in damaged condition. So here in first paragraph, we are thanking them for their letter and we are feeling sorry or we are apologizing for the damage of products. And now we will see what is to be written. The damage has been caused due to careless handling in transportation. We have written a letter in transportation agencies to compensate the loss. In the meanwhile, we are ready to replace the damaged goods immediately on receipt of damaged goods from you. So here in the second paragraph, we are giving a clear-cut idea about why the damage has happened and what action we have taken against that damage. That is, we have written to the transport agencies so that the mistake should not return and the losses should be borne by the transport agency. And then we are also assuring them that we will replace those goods immediately as soon as we receive the damaged goods from you. Next, lastly, we are very sorry for the inconvenience caused to you. However, we assure you that such mistake will not repeat in future. Here we are assuring them that these kind of mistakes will not happen again, and we are ending the letter. Thanking you. Yours faithfully, Omkar Distributors, Samarth S, the partner of Omkar Distributors. They are signed and the letter is completed. Then next, reply for accepting adjustment letter. When we receive a adjustment letter, we are accepting it and replying it. Say Ajab Book Depot, Mahalakshmi Temple Road, Kolhapur, 2nd February 2019, reference number and other things. To Mr. P.K. Rao, Manager, Guru Book House, Tilakwadi, Belgaum. Dear Sir, reference to order B131151/1516 dated 1st January. We are sorry to learn 27th January that 150 books were received in damaged condition. Please accept our apologies. We have looked into the matter seriously and found that they were packed with all care, but the plastic cover were not used. Due to water leakage at storage, the books might have damaged. We have instructed to dispatch urgently to replace the damaged 150 books. You may return the return them at our cost. We are sorry that you have been inconvenienced. Be sure that such mistake will not be repeated in future. Thanking you. Yours faithfully, the signature of the manager. And the next letter we will be discussing is about replying rejection of the complaints or refusal letter. How the refusal letter is to be written, that we shall see now. That is, Samarth Distributors, Siddheshwar Road, Hubballi, 10th January 2020. Reference number and other things to Messrs. Suyog Stores, Keshavpura, 3rd Cross, Belgaum. Dear Sir, thank you for your letter 6th December 2019. We feel sorry to note that a part of consignment of our Jeevan tonic, tone tonic received in damaged condition. However, we regret to inform you that we are not in a position to replace the goods damaged in transit because the goods were sold at X warehouse price. We send our goods with careful inspection only. There were no special instructions from you for packing and we packed in usual way. In view of these facts, we are unable to help you in any way. Our business policy that we have certainly done our best to carry out your instruction. We trust you will have no cause for complaint against us in future. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Om Distributors, Preetham M, the partner. Here, when we are writing a refusal letter, we need to give the facts. Like number one, here we have given that the goods were sold at X warehouse price. Second one, we send our goods with careful inspection only. And third one, there were no special instructions from you for packing and we packed in usual way. So we are not responsible here. So this is how the refusal letter is written. Then the next part is related to say bad news and good news. Here the good news and bad news messages or letters. The good news and bad news letter messages or the messages or letters we write oftenly in our organizations or while communicating. But we need to understand that these messages need to be handled very carefully, because these are the situations where emotions come out and we need to manage those emotions and write the message in a proper way. So therefore here the good and bad news messages should be written in a appropriate way. So good news and bad news letters either carry a good or bad news. Good and bad messages are convert not only in the personal letter but also in the official letter. It may be an announcement of change in office hours on premises or introduction of new products, etc., etc. So let us see the good news letters first. Letters that contain good news or a good message or favorable information are known as good news letters. It is based on an individual's impact. Here, whenever the letter is sent or we receive, the message in those letters, if it is say containing good news, good message or favorable information, those letters are treated as say good news letters. And second, bad news letters. These bad news letters are those letters containing a bad news or bad message or an unfavorable information about bad news letter, or say the unpleasant information like disappointment, upset, rejection of job or rejection of promotion request, negative evaluation and announcement, or even anger a reader. This also called as indirect or negative message. So these messages which contain a bad information or bad message or unfavorable information is treated as a bad news. A 2 marks question may come, what do you mean by good news letters or what do you mean by bad newsletters. At that point of time you all can write, if it is a good newsletter, letters that contain news or a good message or favorable information are good newsletters. And the same way, if it is for bad news, these letters contain a bad news or bad message or an unfavorable information are bad newsletters. The next is, let us see the good newsletter first. Here the letters when we are writing or the good newsletters, first one is on the letterhead of Charity Promotion Trust, Main Administrate Office, number 105, Educational Center, Bangalore, 75, Karnataka. Reference number, date, other things have been written. To the Secretary, Sri Shivam Trusts Degree College, Belgavi, 2000, Belgavi 10. Dear Sir, subject, sanction of grant. Reference 20th January 2020. I am delighted to inform you that we have accepted your proposal for a grant for the foundation. The foundation is always eager to support and much needed charities such as yours. You will find an enclosure sheet detailing the terms of our grants, including the total amount, accounting procedures, and how we will assess your progress. Please photography the sheet, then sign, date and return it by the end of April. Congratulations on being chosen for the grant. We look forward to working with you in future always. So here, one of the degree college, if it has sent a proposal for a grant means the amount sanctioned from the any trust or government for say working. So here this college had sent a letter or a proposal and it has been accepted and the grant has been sanctioned. The terms and conditions of the grant have been also written in this letter, and as per those informations the detailed aspects are covered in this letter. And lastly, thanking you, yours faithfully, Charity Promotion Trust, signed by Mohan R, the secretary of the trust, and the letter is being sent. So this is how the good news letter is sent. Now the good news of opening a branch and other things are there that we shall see in tomorrow's class. Till then, tomorrow we will be finishing the third module and we will begin with fourth module in day after tomorrow's class. We shall stop here. If you have any doubts and questions, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.